Exhibiting at an art show can be enjoyable and rewarding. It's wonderful to see people enjoying the art that you work so hard to create. But it can also be stressful, transporting fragile art, setting up your tent, displaying your art, meeting with people for days, and then packing up your unsold art and taking down your tent before returning home again can take a toll on you. Let us take one item off your list: the tent. When you rent a tent from Tents for Rent, we install the tent before you arrive and remove it after you're gone. Our tents come in 10 by 10, 10 by 20, and even larger sizes as well. All of our tents are heavy duty, so you don't need to worry about bad weather. As with any tent, it's not 100% weatherproof, so in case of severe weather, be sure to protect your fragile art. Want to find out more about lowering your stress level at the next art show? Contact us today. We supply tents for the Longs Park Art Festival and the Mount Gretna Outdoor Art Show, as well as many other locations in Pennsylvania, Maryland, New Jersey, and Delaware.